Hey, Callison. Achoo! Achoo! Oh, here's your passy. You're welcome. Hey, Callison. Achoo! Oh, now you're not going to do it because the camera's on. Bree's like, well, I'll do it. Achoo! So she really has a cold. Do you have a cold?
Yeah.
You say, I have a cold? Hey, Callison. Look at Rummy. You want to go, achoo!
Baby, achoo!
Yeah.
Baby,
Callison. Look.
achoo!
Achoo! Achoo! You do it. Go. Go. Achoo! Hey, go. Go bye-bye. Hey, Callison, you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Callison, you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Callison, you gonna say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.
See you.
Have a good night. Adios.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, what does Dora say? What does Kylan say? Ni hao. That's how she says hello in Chinese. Ni hao. Ni hao. Mhm. And Dora says hello in Spanish. She says, yeah. Hello. Yellow. Say hello. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you. You say I love you? You're not going to say I love you? Excuse you. Say I love you.
I love you.
Do you like daycare?
Uh-huh.
Is it fun? Do you play with other kids?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is everyone nice to you? Hello. Calvin. Say achoo. Achoo.
Mommy, Papa.
Achoo. Oh, he wants up here now. Yeah, Callison, are you sleepy?
No, I can see.
You're sleepy?
Uh-huh.
Hey, Callison, are you sleepy? Callison, are you tired? Do you want to go in your crib? All right, Mommy's going to turn off the camera. I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye. You blow a kiss? Callison, you blow a kiss? Mwah. Blow a kiss, Callison. Well, fine. He's like, I don't know. That's just not very boyish. It's not very manly to blow a kiss. All right. Bye-bye. And great. Straight off. No, that's not good.